Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Bufilka Realty, the real estate channel in the Philippines. Right now, I'm here in Lahug. I'm going to show you a duplex house with 4 bedrooms. And it is very close to t.park. You can walk or you can ride. It depends on you how you arrive here in the house. I will show you. This is the road right of way. This is the first unit of the duplex house. This is the second unit of the duplex house. You can put like 2 cars in the second unit. When you enter, there is a living area. Stairs going up. It's a spacious house. You can use this as storage under the stairs. This is the dining area. This is the toilet and bath here. This is 1 bedroom in the ground house. It's also spacious. The kitchen is also spacious, and there's an overhead cupboard for your spices and other things. This is the laundry area here. And this is the maid's room with own toilet and bath. Then this is a space for you to do something. You can use it as a garden. Very spacious house. Then you can go out to the garage. See, it's so nice. This is the master's bedroom. You have aircon provision. This is the wardrobe here. And it has their own toilet and bath. Spacious room. I'm going to the 2 bedroom. This is the common toilet and bath for the 2 bedrooms. This is the second bedroom. The 3rd bedroom here on the 2nd floor. All of it are spacious.